Hello, everyone. I have some breaking news before we get into the photo thoughts. And by the way, thanks for watching too. Breaking news, as I'm recording this today, which is May 24th, Fujifilm just announced the firmware update version 3.0 for the X-H2S, and it addresses one of my biggest complaints. You'll seen in my previous videos about the X-H2S, and that was that you could not set a command dial to ISO to change your ISO while you're in manual mode. Now you can. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so now I can set the rear command dial to change ISO when I'm in manual exposure mode. I'm kind of excited. I'm a simple man, so easy to please. There's also a new Fuji X app, which I've briefly tried. Had a few crashes at first, but it seems to have stabilized now and seems to connect well and work hopefully much better than the previous Fuji camera remote app, which was dog poo. So anyway, so let's talk about a few thoughts around these photos. And actually, it's really about connections in my thoughts today. As I was walking around creating these photos, I came across this construction worker as I was photographing some of the other construction workers, and he said, it's $5 a photo. And I said, do you take Monopoly money? And we started a conversation. It was pretty cool. And I recognized him because I had photographed him last December in one of the videos from last year. I'll leave a link to that up here. Let me put a couple photos on screen and we'll talk about that conversation I had with him. So this is the construction worker I had a conversation with. His name, he goes by Cowboy because he wears a cowboy hat, hard hat. And this is the photo from last December 2022 that I made of him. And he was super nice, really, really sweet. And then he got all excited was showing me his tattoos and all that. So I said, hey, can I make some photos of your tattoos real quick? And I did. I had the 70 to 300 millimeter lens on at the time, so that's why I don't have a photo of him because we were both in a little bit, not of a hurry, but moving on to the next thing. But I had a really nice chat with him, so that was super fun and awesome to get to do that with him. And so what I decided to do, I'm going to return to Bellevue for a three-peat this week. Well, it'll be next week's video. And what I'm going to do is I printed out some Instax photos for him of these photos I made, and I hope to be able to deliver those to him when I go do those videos next time, or next time I see him at least. So connections, it's pretty fun, pretty cool. It's unexpected. It's often, at least in my experience, been very pleasant communications with people as I'm out and about making photos. A couple of you have commented in previous videos, make sure you have business cards when you're out and about making photos so you can hand to people. And I do. I always carry a bunch of business cards with me. By the way, I get these done at amoo.com. I really, really like them. Anyway, I do hand out these cards. And I was thinking the other day as I had handed out some cards, I realized, this is going to get put in a purse, in a bag, in a pocket, and, they have to actually type in an email address or, dial a phone number. So as I was thinking about that, I was thinking, it'd be cool if I could have a QR code. So I was thinking, I'll put QR codes on my next run of business cards. And then I was thinking, why wait till then? Why not put it on my phone so I can just hold it up and they could scan it with their phone and we can move forward with that. And then my wife Debbie suggested, hey, put it on your lock screen. So I've done that now. So I have my QR codes on my lock screen, and that will take people to one of three different places. You can go to my website, the YouTube channel, like and subscribe, as well as my Instagram page. And there's my phone number on there with my logo for my business. So you never know who you're going to connect with. I did have an opportunity to use this new lock screen QR code when I was making these photos in the video you just watched. And I had a lady who scanned my Instagram, and she's now following me on Instagram. So I can attest that it works. If you'd like some assistance in how to do this, leave a comment below, and I will be glad to give you some suggestions on how I did that. Might even make a template or something available for that on my website in the future when I have just a teeny bit more time. Again, thanks for watching this video. If you have thoughts, comments, suggestions, as always, I welcome them in the comments below and would like to have a conversation with you. As always, also, if you like this video, thumbs up is appreciated by clicking on that button or tapping it if you're on your mobile device. All these photos, plus a whole bunch more. I didn't quite get all the photos in for the video this time around, so there's links down below to the photos on Flickr, so go take a look over there if you would like to see more of the photos at your own pace. So, again, thanks so much for watching. I'll be going, as I mentioned, I'm going to go back to Bellevue one more time. I think I'm going to do the photos with just the 50mm f2, see how that goes, just to try something a little different in the same place. So that's my plan. I hope you are doing well. I hope everything is going fun for you in photography land. So until I see you in the next video, stay safe, stay well, and have fun creating photos. Bye for now.